everyone. How you doing? You guys having fun? Of course, una po sa lahat, gusto po namin pasalamat sa Candy for this award. And it's really an honor for us to be here tonight. And of course, we would like to thank all our supporters out there. Thank you also to my family and friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you for voting for us to be the most stylish love team, and it's truly an honor to be part of Candy Style, the first ever Candy Style Awards in history. So yeah, thank you, and I'm very happy to be stylish, to be stylish, like to thank Lola for all our clothes and for styling us always. And yeah, I hope you guys will have fun because later on we will invite you somewhere. So thank you again.
Thank you so much, and also I would like to thank Vans, Gaslot, Accessorize. I hope you guys watch out for our number later. So.